March is here with updates that will save you hours coding transactions, let you pay bills from outside of Ramp, and more. Let's dive in. Need employees to submit more details for some expenses but not others? Now you can set if this then that rules that ask for more info only when it's needed. Here's an example. When a transaction is coded to a category like client expenses, you can ask for extra details like the customer name. Or choose when employees need to enter attendee names, say for meals over $100. Still creating bills outside of Ramp? Skip the cumbersome, outdated interfaces with our new Importing Bills feature. Now you can sync all of your unpaid bills from your ERP directly into Ramp, then pay them in just a few clicks. You'll get faster transfers, lower fees, and even cash back. There is so much you can do on Ramp, so we made it even easier to stay on top of everything with a beautiful new homepage. AI prioritizes urgent tasks, and the activity feed highlights key updates like mentions, upcoming payments, and reimbursement issues. Now with Ramp Travel, you can invite guests to book flights and hotels using your policy and funds, or book on their behalf. You stay in control of their spend, and guests don't have to wonder when they'll get paid back. Managing global spend is easier than you think. Whether your Ramp cards are in pounds, euros, or dollars, you can track everything in one place with one simple dashboard and reconciliation process. Different currencies, same smooth operation. And that's it for March. Let us know which feature you'd like to see next, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.